Clove essential oil is one of the highest known antioxidants on the planet. Say what? Why isn't everyone dousing themselves in clove oil? By the end of this video, you will be. I will show you the top clove essential oil uses and what is clove oil used for. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Stacy Paulson, certified health coach and essential oil educator. I've been teaching about the power of healthy lifestyle habits and essential oils for over 12 years. I've seen the benefits of clove essential oil as both a health coach and as a mom to 6 amazing kids. Stick around to the end. I have a really great gift for you if you're wanting to really get the most out of essential oils. Rich in antioxidants, clove essential oil is often used for its internal benefits as a flavoring. This powerful spice essential oil aids digestion and cardiovascular health when used internally. When diffused, it creates a warm and inviting aroma. What is clove oil used for? Here are 5 easy usage tips. First, dilute with fractionated coconut oil and apply to your gums for a soothing effect. Apply a drop of clove to your toothbrush with toothpaste to clean the teeth and gums while promoting fresh breath. 2. Place 1 drop of clove into 2 ounces of water and gargle as a soothing effect. 3. Combine with doTERRA hand and body lotion for a warming massage. Number 4 is to diffuse 3 drops of clove, 2 drops of cinnamon, and a drop of wild orange for an invigorating scent. You can also watch my video on top diffuser recipes in the descriptions for more clove diffuser blends. Number 5 is place 2 to 3 drops in a veggie capsule and take it internally to support health. Did you know that there are over 365 published studies on the benefits of clove? That's incredible. If you think of a traditional pharmaceutical remedy, they can't compare to how much we know about clove essential oil uses. I'm curious if you've used clove essential oil before. Tell me in the comments. I love to learn and hear how others are using it, as well as why you are searching for clove essential oil videos. What is clove essential made from? So clove essential oil can be made from the blossoms, branches, or leaves of the tree. The highest quality and most potent clove comes from the blossoms. And due to the rich concentration of eugenol contained in the buds, eugenol gives clove essential oil its energizing fragrance and a variety of health benefits, including antioxidant support. So essential oils from the stem and leaves of the clove tree is more plentiful and therefore considered cheaper, but does not have the same potency. So doTERRA clove essential oil is steam distilled in Madagascar from the clove blossoms for maximum potency and efficacy. I'm often asked, can I use clove essential oil in my mouth? One of the most well-known clove essential oil uses is for its oral hygiene benefits, and it is commonly used in dental practices to soothe teeth and gums. Since clove is a hot oil, remember that it should always be diluted. To make a natural mouthwash, place 1 drop of clove oil in 2 ounces of water and then go ahead and gargle that for that soothing effect. Okay, so what is clove oil used for? There's a long list of internal benefits and essential oil uses for clove oil. When ingested, clove oil benefits the stomach and gastrointestinal tract and helps enhance absorption of important nutrients. Think about that. Our body becomes not what we consume, but what we absorb. Every single cell in our body is made up of what we absorb. So clove essential oil can help with absorption of the important nutrients, and it can also help be a protection against damage because of its antioxidant protective capacity. I take clove every single day. Additional clove essential oil uses may also help support the nervous system, cardiovascular health, and a healthy inflammatory response when used internally. doTERRA clove essential oil uses are unique because of its potency. You can pause this video and read through some of the clove essential oil uses people have discovered, or you can go ahead and take a screenshot. After I share how to use clove oil, I'll tell you how to download my essential oils guidebook that will help you to know exactly how to use essential oils effectively, including clove, what oils to use for what health concern, and it also contains all of my favorite essential oil recipes and diffuser recipes and diffuser blends. So how do you use clove essential oil? Clove oil benefits our body by taking it internally. So put a drop in water or in the veggie capsule daily. This is not recommended for essential oils that are not certified pure and tested grade. That is why I only use doTERRA and recommend doTERRA clove oil. Most oils are just junk, synthetics that you actually would not want to consume, so be careful what you buy and how you use it. The use of clove essential oil is featured in many recipes like gingerbread and pumpkin spice for cooking and baking. Just a drop adds a spicy flavor while providing internal health benefits. Uses for clove oil include adding it to a massage for its warming sensation. Where does clove come from anyway? Like originally, native to the spice islands of Indonesia, the clove tree, Eugenia caryophyllata, I don't know if I'm saying that right, is a large flowering tree with warm, spicy, and woody fragrance that naturally repels insects. It's prized since ancient times in China and India. Cloves became popular in Europe during the Middle Ages. Clove blends well with wild orange, cinnamon, frankincense, Roman chamomile, ginger, cassia, fennel, and also cedarwood. And as promised, here is my essential oils guidebook. It's free to download. I've included the link up in the cards, and also you can grab it in the description. Also, join me in my weekly essential oil live online class. If you are new to oils, you'll learn about which essential oils are safe to use, the primary benefits of essential oils, 3 ways and reasons to use essential oils daily, and the best way to get essential oils at a discounted price. In the class, you'll learn how to use essential oils for things like weight management, hormone balance, energy, focus, pain, digestive support, sleep, stress, and so much more. I'd love to have you join me. I'll put the link in the description below. Click the subscribe button and hit the bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video, like the one coming out for how to look younger than your age and natural anti-aging tips, including essential oils. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I recommend you watch this video from last week about doTERRA's On Guard Protective Blend, their most popular blend that contains clove essential oil, and how to use it to boost your immune system.